You're meant to live. You're meant to fulfill your life. You're meant to accomplish your dreams. You're meant to have a great life. When you're gonna start that, I want you to realize that you have a chance right now. People wanna hear your message. People wanna read your books. People wanna listen to your business ideas. This is your time. This is your moment. You hear that? This is your chance actually. And this is your chance to listen or watch. If you watch it on YouTube, if you listen on SoundCloud. To listen or watch another inspirational message of mine. And today, if you see this picture, if you not this picture, on this picture is actually a billionaire guy called Bill Gates, and he is, obviously you don't have to introduce him, he owns multiple businesses. He's a billionaire. He must be extraordinarily busy, and he is holding 5 books in his hand. And he posted under the Instagram story that he is crave out some time to the summer. And you telling me who you are broke, that you don't have time to read or do things which would change your life. Come on man, for real? For real? Listen, I checked my phone. Actually, my phone sent a message to me that last week I used my phone by 21% less than I normally do. And this 21% is actually 4 hours. I couldn't believe that. And I don't use that my phone that much often. And it was actually showing me that it was 4 hours less than I normally do. So I can imagine there are people who they are actually using their phone a lot more than I do per day. And so what does it mean? That this 21% is actually a lot, not 4 hours, but it lot more. So what do I mean by that? So if you say that you don't have time, but you are broke, and you complaining that, oh, your life is so busy, I want you to use your phone just less by 21%, so you can have at least 4 hours on an average day, so you can spend that 4 hours and focus on working during that 4 hours extremely hard. So it's gonna add up in a week. Is an extra day per week. So listen to me. Stop complaining that you don't have time to change your life. Stop complaining that you don't have time to change things in your life. Stop complaining that you don't have time to make extra money. Stop complaining that you don't have time to make an extra effort to go to gym and lose weight. Stop complaining that you don't have time to read and to develop yourself. Stop complaining that you don't have time to become a better person by going into seminars and making better relationship and watch YouTube videos or actually making YouTube videos to help other people to realize their potential. Whatever it is, man, just stop complaining. You got this time. You got, if Bill Gates has, if Bill Gates has that time, you can find that time. If I could find that 4 hours, if I could find that extra time to make these videos for you or these audios on SoundCloud, doesn't matter, then you can find that time as well. Just be smart and have a look around you. Okay, so that's all I wanted for you today, guys. If you find that message was useful for you, if that message was helpful for you, just please share it. Go to my YouTube channel, subscribe it, called Sabi the Preacher. Go to my SoundCloud channel, subscribe it. I have loads of other videos which can potentially, and I'm saying again, potentially change your life. Just find that extra time, just find that extra effort, okay? Because having an extraordinary life and having an ordinary life, the difference between those two is huge, but it's only one word. It's called extra. So find that extra effort, find that extra work, find that extra power, find that extra why, find that extra goal. And if you find that, it will help you to push into a greater life. It will help you to change your life. It will help you to revolutionize your life. And I'm telling you from my personal experience, when I found that extra time, I became an author of a book, a public speaker, a certified speaker in the UK. And this is not my first language, because I'm from Hungary. I only live in here since 2010. And so this, because I became an author of a book, that is making me money. That is making me an extra money, man. An extra money. It might not too much, but it's enough to do something with it. It's enough to, you know, buy the things that I want to buy. It's making me money because I made that extra effort. So it's making me extra money. That's how simple it is. Okay? So I want you to find that extra time and use it wisely. We all got 24 hours. I've got 24 hours. Bill Gates gets 24 hours. The difference is how we're using it. How you using your 24 hours. You don't have to do, you might say, you know, you want to do things, you want to do many things. But you cannot do many things or loads of things at the same time. So what you need to do, you have to prioritize, okay? So you have to prioritize, do the things which are the most important to you. And so you can take it from there. Just focus on that extra, man, and your life going to be extraordinary. So see you guys in the next video, and don't forget, the only way is up.